right on into the room here. You can see the whole vibe. It's a really awesome. You have a little sitting chair. You can put your sneakers on here, get yourself ready. We have our coffee maker and our 2 beds here. Take a look. We have a Mickey welcoming us on the bed. How cozy is that? And then our 2 full beds here. General scan of the room. Hello, hello, far away in the mirror. A nice ceiling fan as well in the room. I can't say that I've seen many hotels with ceiling fans, so that's kind of unique. Something that I didn't catch right away is that there are some light fixtures right here that automatically come on in the bed. And then we also have the thermostat here on the wall that you can control the temperature of the room. We'll go around to the side of the bed. Of course, there's tons of room to move around, but take a look at, there's actually loads and loads of room underneath for you to put your suitcases down under the bed. So you can stay organized and you don't have to look at a big mess of your suitcases, which I enjoy. We have our remotes that are a high touch point that have been put in plastic, so we know that they are cleaned. Loads of outlets and USB ports, the phone, and inside this cupboard here, we have this safe, so you can keep your belongings in there when you're out and about at the parks or what have you. And then this room is actually an adjoining room, so you can have, if you're traveling with a large party or family, or throw the kids on one side and you're on the other, you can do that there. That's pretty cool. And then I really enjoy seeing our name welcoming us. Nice Disney touch. I love that. And then great counter space with lighting and more outlets, so we can pull out our laptop, check your email, do what you got to do if you have it, or just spread out all your stuff and get organized like we did. And then your coffee maker, your ice bucket and cups for the coffee. We have this cupboard here, and we have the mini fridge to keep your waters cool or what have you. A nice chair to have a seat, and then additional drawers if you want to throw your packing cubes in here, throw your clothes in there, stay organized. What I enjoy seeing here is all of the high touch points that they have cleaned. Everything is showing you to make sure that it is the enhanced cleaning process and making sure that everything is up to par. What's really nice is these barn doors here. How fun is this? It's very like industrial looking. I like the hardware on it. Very fun. And into the bathroom. What surprises me is the double sinks. Very, very awesome. Additional like shelves and cubby spaces down there, and the highly loved Disney H2O products. Some vanity kit for you, and additional space even up high for you to put your stuff. We have a closet here. Up high, you're gonna find extra pillows and blankets, which is great. Some hangers for you, a luggage rack, your hair dryer, and the ironing board. So lots of room to kind of put your stuff. And then this is the bathroom here. This is actually a pocket door, and the fan did turn on automatically. So there was an automatic thing when I just kind of walked by, it turned on and it's been on. But with this pocket door here, you just push this button and this comes out, and this is how you pull open and close the door when you need to use the restroom here. So you have your toilet and your shower and a tub. And then these Disney H2O products have the cleaned marker here, so you know that it has been properly sanitized, which is great. And then we'll take a look at this dual shower head here, and an opportunity to take a little soaking bathtub here. Bring your Epsom salts, soak up your feet after a long day at the park. Love a good bath. So this is the look of the room. Plenty of room to walk around, and what I really enjoy is the hardwood flooring, so that you know that there's no odors or anything like that, or stains that kind of get trapped into the carpet, and that the rooms are very clean. Our first impressions of the room so far are that it's fantastic. We're excited to stay here. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the room. This room is very similar style setup to Pop Century. If you haven't seen it, check out that video as well. I'll link it in the cards and in the description box below, so you can kind of see the similarities and differences of them. Well, that does it for the room tour here at Coronado Springs. I hope you enjoyed seeing the room here. We think it's pretty cool, and I hope you'll come around and stick with us for another video. Until next time, ciao for now.